Let's get started, guys. Time to roll out recipe number 1. And yeah, I'm a little excited because yeah, I'm a meat mouth. Those of you who've been watching Couple Joe over the years, I love meat. And I particularly love red meat. Yeah, I love beef. So I love a good salad, but I love a hearty salad. So follow this recipe, this is a good one. I have simple, nice, good cuts of steak that I just slice into nice chunks. All I am doing, guys, is salt and pepper because this is about the meat. When you have a lovely piece of steak like this, you want to appreciate biting into the meat. And I have a nice hot pan with some oil. Make sure, guys, that your pan is hot. You don't mind that little smoke that you see coming out there. Make sure your pan is nice and hot. And with that, I just want to get that bad boy in there. So this really now is how you like your steak, guys. So I don't like it runny, but I also don't like it overcooked and well done. This is no more than about a minute on either side. There will be some cooking once you take it off the heat that continues after. So a minute on either side for the most, and that's all you want. And there you have it. I'm going to allow my steak to rest. Very, very important. Don't cut into it right away. So it's going to rest there. And while it is resting, I'm going to pull together this salad. So this salad is a steak salad. I'm really excited about this because I got 2 types of beet today. I got usual red beet and I got a yellow beet. I was really excited when I saw it. I roasted the both and I'm using both colors. I have some tomatoes, some avocado, red onions, Asiago cheese, and I'm going to start building the salad. I have a lovely fresh plate of greens, and this greens is going to serve, this lettuce will serve as my bed. So this is where you can get creative because nice pop of color, you can kind of do what you want. So I'm going to work from the corners and come in. So I have my red beets that's lovely roasted to perfection. Then I'm going to kind of get in this corner here. And just to oppose that, I got the fancy yellow ones. To that now, I am going to put my tomatoes. I think my tomatoes will look really nice against the yellow beets. So I'm going to put some tomatoes in this corner. Contrast in color. So I'm going to just get some nice slices of avocado right there. My red onions, I am going to kind of just do a liberal. I want a little bit of onions. I kind of will be liberal and share it with all the other ingredients on the salad. There you go. So look at this. Now I have some Asiago cheese. Asiago cheese, when we did the cheese show last week, it has that nice oaky, sharp bite to it. Almost like a woody flavor. I really love it. Now I got some nice shavings that I kept. And what I'm going to do with the cheese is almost do a bed just around the perimeter of all the ingredients. And I'll tell you why I'm doing this. Nice bed of cheese there. The reason I'm doing that, at this stage, guys, before I bring the beef in, I could just do a little sprinkle of salt and pepper. Season up your salad. Yeah. Then I am going to just layer this beef all around the cheese. So the idea here is that when the beef meets the cheese will kind of just melt in nicely there and get out all that beefy flavor. Beef and cheese is perfection, is love. And you see this here? Don't waste it. That's flavor. Pour it over your beef. Yeah. And my dressing, let me tell you how I pulled this together. Really, really simple. This is a balsamic creamy dressing. Balsamic has lots of flavor. Simple. Mayonnaise, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper. I had some mustard, a little bit of pepper sauce. That was it. Mix it all together. And boy, oh boy, a balsamic creamy vinegar that I can just pour liberally now over my beef, over some of my veggies. It's so pretty. I don't even want to interfere with it. Look at that. That's family style, baby. steak salad with a lovely balsamic creamy vinaigrette. I just want this guy. It's all about the beef. I love me some beef. Come on back, we're rolling out recipes here on Home Sweet Home.